What's going on, guys? Today I want to take a quick look at the OtterBox Defender Pro, and this is the brand new iPhone 12 Pro. Let's go ahead and unbox the case, get it on this phone, and check it out. So you'll see on this box, it says for 2020 medium iPhone, and so this case actually fits the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro. They happen to be the same size this year, same screen size, same processor, a lot of similarities on the iPhone 12 and the 12 Pro. Mainly, it is going to be that telephoto lens. So here is the case. We're going to take it out of the Hollister packaging. And to take it out of there, we just unclip it here. And this is the case itself. Here's the Hollister. This Hollister actually doubles as a phone stand, and I'll show you guys that in a second. On the inside, we have this nice foam padding, so whenever it drops and hits up against this, it won't crack the back plate. And to take this off, we just peel up on this side here, and then run your fingers along the sides, and the case will separate from the hard case. Now to take that off, we have these little notches that are drawn in with arrows. We simply just peel up on those, and that pops right out. So go ahead and grab our new iPhone 12, slip it right in there, and we'll go ahead and put the bezel on. This one just snaps right into place. Now, once it is in the case, it's nice and snug. We'll go ahead and put it in its silicone casing. All right, so here is the case wrapped in the iPhone 12 Pro. This is a really nice case. It fits snugly, and it does offer a lot of protection. It's got a nice rubberized surface all over it. On the back, it's kind of ribbed so that, it doesn't slide too much. Nice cutout for the camera. It, extends over so that it doesn't lay on the table. There's a nice lip on top of the case as well, so that when you sit the phone down, the screen does not sit on the table. On the left-hand side, we have the silent rocker button here. So you peel up that silicone piece to access it. Nice buttons on the volume. This is where it clips into the Hollister. On the bottom, we have cutouts for the audio, as well as lightning jack port. This prevents dust from getting into the port. Another clip for the Hollister, and then this is the sleep wake button. So there you guys go. That is a look at the case. One drawback with this case is it doesn't really work well with the new Magsafe charger. So when we place it on it, you see it doesn't quite get it, and we have to get the arrangement just right. The magnet doesn't actually stick on this case, so it's kind of hard to get it right. And then you just have to move around the phone to get it to get on the magnet. So you can see I'm having a lot of trouble with that at the moment. There you go. You can see that I just got it. And then it just slipped as well. So again, I would not recommend this case with the Magsafe charger. If you guys are looking to use this charger, I would recommend you get something else. Now here is a look at the Hollister. You can clip it in like slow, and then you can use the back of the Hollister. If you actually press in really hard, it clips up and stays in that position. This doubles as a phone stand, so you can put it this way. And if you want to put it a little more upright, you twist it this way, and that gives you a little more upright position. Now to take it back down, we just press in here, and that folds back down. Now I would recommend when this is clipped onto your belt that you actually use the phone in this direction. And that way the phone is protected. Like let's say if you're working on a job site and a rock gets thrown onto near your hip area, or a piece of lumber hits around you, your phone screen is protected when it is facing the inside. So that is a quick look at the OtterBox Defender Pro on this brand new iPhone 12. If you guys did find the video helpful, please leave me a thumbs up. I picked mine up on Amazon, so I'll leave a link down below. Please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that, guys. That really helps me out. And I'll see you guys in the next tech video. Thanks for watching.